Hello everybody, so this video is going to be really good. I'm going to share my secret strategy on how I make $500 a day on Pinterest, and how you can do this too, and how other people are doing it as well. So this method is actually like really simple. There's no investment. This is absolutely free. You don't really have to create a lot of content. You don't have to make email list, you don't have to build email list, you don't have to make landing pages, like nothing. This is like really the simplest way to make money online. You can make $500 a day with this method. All you have to do is really just create Pinterest account, create like 20 different boards, and then just start making pictures and repinning other people's pictures. But let's get on with this method. So please watch this whole video. This is going to be incredibly helpful, I promise you that. So first thing that you want to do is you want to pick your niche. I'm going with you know, email, not email, no, sorry, you know, like a business opportunity type of offer, because see what I found here. So I went into Pinterest and then typed in affiliate marketing. I was like, okay, let me see how affiliate marketing is doing on Pinterest. Then I was like, affiliate marketing without a blog, that sounded interesting. And then I saw this, how this 28-year-old man is making 500,000 per month online. Then I was, that link does seem like a bit suspicious. Then I was like, oh, let me check it and see that this is the first, in the top results of this pretty long tail keyword, but still people search this a lot on Pinterest because it's suggesting it, like you can see. But then I clicked the link here, and what it does, yeah, it takes you to John Crestani, you know, affiliate marketing course, which is ClickBank a product. Like I'm going to show you here. So it's this product, and check this out. You know, you can make $460 for per sale, and then there's also rebills, so they're subscription based. And look what this guy's doing. He's making simple pictures like this. How this 28-year-old is making like this is just genius. And here's another one, affiliate marketing strategies for beginners. He's just taking photos and slapping some you know, text on it, and make it really simple. Like all of these looks really complicated. So this is what when I searched this long tail keyword, I saw this first because I was like I was watching the 28-year-old, and it just popped because all of these are look like really messy to me. I don't like, this looks really spammy to me. So, but this was clean, and I think that's why they are in top of search results, because it's easy to click and it's easy to read and it's easy to look at. So what you want to do is you want to go to Canva. Let me see if I have so here it is. I was doing some in one of my Pinterest accounts, I was doing these affirmations. But what you want to do is you want to take a a long picture, just like here. You want to take the longer one because Pinterest allows you to post this, and this will take a lot of space in a mobile phone screen and a lot of other space in there, so people are more likely to see it and click it. Then what you want to do is you want to just, you know, pick there are some templates. They have photos here, so let's see what this guy was doing. So 28 years old. Let's see, or maybe we could use this picture. Maybe it's too big. Something like this. I'm going to make this really fast because I don't want to bore you. Then just, you know, watch what he's been doing. So he's making headlines like what it said, how this okay, so a little bigger font here. I need to do this. You maybe want to pick a like nice looker, like a better looking font, but I'm going to just do it like this. Then my keyboard is I need to buy a new keyboard. It's my control is not working really well. 20-year-old 28-year-old is making like I think that this dude hates me for saying this trick for you, because he's making so much money with this method and I'm just revealing it here for free. But that's what I do. I want to be as transparent as I can with this channel, and you know, this method is obviously working really well, but you want to make the picture like better looking than this one. I'm just creating something here fast. I don't want to bore you with this. So now we have some kind of picture here. Maybe you have to give it a little like swag, you know. So let's take the background, not background, element here. Let's put the black background like in these, like big, so the text will pop out better. Worked really well. It got my attention like instantly. It got my attention. So let's change this to black and then make it backwards here. Then just, you know, drag it. Oh damn, I don't know what is working. I like to use Photoshop, but for this tutorial I'm going to use Canva. So like this. So it's really simple to make. You can make like, when you have this template, you can make like these pictures really fast. Like look, it's starting to look really nice and clean. Let's make this backward here. Yeah, just leave it like that. Let's put here. Like this. Damn. Like I said, I'm used to using Photoshop, but Canva is also great if you don't have Photoshop. It's pretty expensive, so you don't need it to make money online. Like you can see, this guy has also made his pictures with Canva, because this picture look exactly the same as his. So something like this. Actually, I don't really like that. I really feel maybe this picture will work because there's just, you know, giant face in your, like, in people's face. But obviously, if you're promoting this offer, the landing page is like John Cristani is there, so obviously you don't want to use like female in this picture. But you know, something like this is really really simple, and you can go to ClickBank and just, you know, find different kind of products like health and fitness. Like you can go to here, not here. I don't know what Levitox is, but you can go to here, Cinderella Solutions. Like look, you can go, like, you can just copy this. How one woman discard the female secret. You can copy this and just, you know, make a picture, slap the text here, and just post it on Instagram. And not Instagram, but Pinterest. So that's how easy this method it really is. And Pinterest released this new update that you can you don't have to create landing pages anymore. You can just, you know, slap your affiliate link there, like straight hop link, and that's it. But yeah, I hope that this method was helpful to you. It is helpful to you, but only if you execute. Like this is exactly what this guy is doing here. So yeah, you can do this in any niche. Let's check out some weight loss niches. What was the let's just how to lose weight, or what is how to lose a guy in what the hell. How to lose weight in a week. So you can just go here. I bet that some of these are like ClickBank affiliate links. I bet. I'm certain of it. Let's see if there are affiliate links here. That seems like an affiliate link. Not really, but when you're doing this method, you can like really easily to make the Pinterest to give you traffic, because if you're creating a lot of pins every day, some of your pins will go viral, and when your pin goes viral, you will get like 100 clicks a day, or 200 or 300. I got my pin, one of my pins went viral, and I started getting like 100 clicks a day. So this method does work, and these landing pages and these offers convert really well. So yeah, I hope that you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.